Can't you remember what number that you need to pick for the white balance when you're out flying your Mavic Mini or any of the other DJI drones using the DJI FLY app? Let me show you an easy trick to do this while you are airborne without being able to remember anything about the actual number.
So let's just fly it down here somewhere and position it here so it's pointing towards Sakskøbing. And it's very clear that the temperature here is not right. It's not to the blue side. The way to fix that is very simple. We just stop the recording and flick the drone into manual mode or into pro mode here in the lower right corner. And now we have the white balance here, so we can adjust it to the right temperature. But in case you don't know where that is, then DJI is actually pretty good at predicting this themselves. So we just press auto and then it picks the right value for you, which is 6200 Kelvin in this case. And for that not to change while you're flying around, you simply pull it out of auto so you can fly around with this selected value. So in that way, the temperature of the image, aircraft interference, maybe I should bring it back here. Sitting down here. So this was a very simple trick in case you don't know what value that you should choose for setting the white balance on your Mavic Mini or Mini 2 or any other of the drones that are using the DJI FLY app.
So I hope you like this little tip. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.